Hi, my name is Nilofer, and in this video you're going to learn how to do this simple skeleton makeup. So let's get started. First thing you need is a foundation much lighter than your skin tone. I had some MAC NC27 foundation lying around, which is very light for me, and so I used it. You have to look pale and ghostly like a skeleton, so use a lighter foundation. And don't forget to go down your neck. Next, it's time to do the eyebrows. It doesn't matter what shape you want, cause you're going to fill in the hollows of your eye sockets and your eyebrows won't be visible. Skeletons don't have eyebrows, so you can just fill your eyebrows with a black eyebrow pencil and make it look as dark as possible. Then you have to create some shadow around your eyes. This makeup is meant to look deathly and sick. So you need a brown eyeshadow and make hollows around your eyes to create some depth. I am using the brown shade from the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. You can use any brown shade or contour shade you have. Take the brown shade under your eyes as well and create some dark circles. You do not need any concealer in this look. Usually when you are doing your makeup, you have to spend so much time in blending your foundation and concealer and making your skin look perfect. But you don't have to worry about all that in this look, which is why I love it so much. Next, take the same brown eyeshadow or the contour shade to contour your cheeks. Keep the contour a little above your usual contour line. You have to make your cheekbones higher than usual because it has to look like a skull's bony structure. And then you have to drag down the contour towards the chin to mimic the shape of a skull. Contour your jawline too if you want. This step is optional, but I am doing it here because I have a heavy face. Then using the same shadow, put some on your forehead to make it look like your skin is bruised and dull. And then contour your nose with it. You do not have to be very precise with the contour, you can use a very heavy hand. Next, take a black eyeshadow and start filling in the eye socket. Use a dense, fluffy brush and fill in the whole eye and even go under the eye, wherever the brown shadow is. You can use a gel eyeliner and smudge it, and it will create a very dark black look. But I don't like that. I like this patchy look. So I'm using a black powder eyeshadow. I'm using the black eyeshadow from the Maybelline Nudes palette. You can use any that you have. Then take a black eyeliner and tightline your eyes so any skin is not visible from within the eyeshadow. You can line your eyelids and wear eyelashes to make it look more glam, but I'm not doing any of that. I'm just lining my eyelids. I was kind of feeling hungry, so my hubby came in to give me a croissant and got scared looking at my face. Then use the black eyeshadow and layer it on top of all the brown contour so it gives a sickly depth to your face. You can dab it on your forehead too, in few places for that extra effect. Now is the time to draw the nose. Take a felt tip eyeliner pen and draw an M shape on the nose. And then drag the two ends down the side of the nose and fill it up with the eyeliner. Once everything is filled, take the black eyeshadow and dab it on top to set the eyeliner properly. Take some of that eyeshadow and paint your collarbones and make it look hollow. I am putting it on top and below my collarbones. I am not spending much time on it because my top is covering most of my neck and collarbone. But if you are wearing something that reveals your neck, then you can take more time to carve out your collarbones. The last part is my favorite. This is the time to draw those stitches on your mouth. So for this, you first of all need to make your lips kind of disappear into your face. Take a light shade of concealer and apply it on your lips and blend it so there's not a distinct difference between your lips and your face. Then take a pencil eyeliner and draw 2 lines on each side of your lips, like I am doing here. Lining first with a pencil eyeliner is better than directly going in with an ink eyeliner because pencil eyeliner is more forgiving and you can rub it off in case you made a mistake. Then draw some small vertical lines starting from the center of the lips and going outwards like this. Then take the felt tip or liquid eyeliner and layer it on top of the vertical lines. It makes it look very dark and real looking. Finally, take that pencil eyeliner and fill in the inside of your lips to make it look like your mouth is sealed shut. You can even use red lipstick here and there to make it look like your lips are bleeding, but I did not do it because I was trying to use only black for this look. And that's it, the skeleton makeup is done. I think it looks very good, and with the proper outfit this will look perfect. I will be having a virtual Halloween party, as I said, with some friends, and I'm going to wear this look. If you like this look, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.